Hi everybody, welcome back to episode 5 in my Healing with Herbs series. Today's herb we're going to be talking about chamomile, and I'm basically just going to be showing you how to perform a facial eye steam with chamomile products, and chamomile's many benefits that are really great for your body. If you all enjoy these videos, please make sure to comment down below, like and subscribe. But anyways, thank you so much for your support and just tune in. To treating styes to calming anxiety, chamomile has been used in various different ways throughout the years. In this video, I'll be taking you on a mini adventure and teaching you many different ways in which you can use this beautiful yellow herb. Chamomile is native to places like Asia, North Africa, and Europe, and it belongs to the daisy family. There are two main types of chamomile that you will often see in grocery stores, and that's German chamomile and Roman chamomile. Chamomile contains constituents that basically produce soothing medicinal effects for the body. The active ingredients inside chamomile can promote relaxation, soothe irritation, and treat any skin conditions. So one of the ways you can actually use chamomile is in dried form. So whenever you go to the grocery store, you're probably normally used to buying a tea packet. Well, this is what's inside the tea packet, but instead you're not getting the whole herb. It's more so beneficial for you to buy from a seller that sells a whole herb instead of like a tea packet, but tea packets are also beneficial for you to use. Chamomile can also be used in the form of essential oil, and with any essential oil, you just want to make sure that you are diluting it with a basic base oil just to make sure that you're not causing any irritation to your skin. Essential oil is also never to be consumed by mouth. Whenever you are dealing with any essential oil, make sure you are keeping it at a safe distance if you are smelling it. Chamomile has this really calm, soothing smell to it. It'll almost put you to sleep, to be honest, but really beautiful. One of the ways you can use it is definitely in essential oil form. Chamomile can also be included in a lot of cosmetic and personal care products like lotions, salves, and a lot of medicated shampoos. Chamomile can also soothe the digestive system, promote better sleep, soothe sore throats, support better eye health, and promote relaxation. But just like any other herb, you just want to make sure that it's going to be safe for you to take specifically. If you are currently taking specific medication, chamomile has been shown to interact with other medications that people have been taking. Also, chamomile taken in excessive amounts can cause stomach upsets and possibly drowsiness. So like always with any herb, it's important to take breaks from the herb, ask yourself the question of if it's going to interact with any medications that I have, or even if you are allergic to the herb, do not take it. So in this next portion of the video, I'm basically going to be showing you how I personally use chamomile in my facial steams or even for my eye health. I also incorporate gua sha into my routine, and I basically am going to tell you a little bit about ancient Chinese medicine and the uses of gua sha. From cupping to acupuncture and even gua sha, these are all practices coming from ancient Chinese medicine. Gua sha originated in ancient China and can be traced back to the Ming Dynasty. Gua sha in the use of traditional Chinese medicine is much more than just focusing on beauty or even beauty trends. Gua sha is the process of scraping the skin with a smooth object. Although it's most common to use a stone, things like spoons and coins also have been used throughout history. In gua sha, it is believed that when you're body scraping, you're basically healing the body and removing the body of any cause of ill health. So kind of just like the process of making tea, what you're going to do is get your whole herbs or your tea bag and place it in a bowl that is safe enough to hold boiling water. And next we are actually going to need some water, some really warm water. You can boil your water, but just make sure that it's not boiling hot to the point where it burns your skin. But basically what I do is dip a washcloth inside of my bowl, wring it out a little bit until I put it on my eyes. Warm compression is actually really great for styes, just as much as washing your hands before you touch your face, keeping your hands out of your face or just away from your eyes, and just making sure that if you are wearing mascara regularly or just applying any product to your eyes, that it's not going to block any glands near your eyelashes, because that is how styes get formed. Oil glands being blocked near your eyelashes. But yeah, basically this is how I do my facial steam with chamomile. Chamomile is actually really soothing and it's really calming, and it will make you very sleepy. So this is honestly really amazing. I do recommend that you do this routine literally at nighttime if you're trying to go to sleep, you know, like say you can't sleep and you want some extra relaxation, you know, this is, you know, one way you can do that or provide that for yourself. Chamomile is seen as a symbol of the sun, happiness, calmness, relaxation, and rest. Realistically, since I am not an expert in gua sha, I did have to watch multiple videos of different individuals explaining how to properly use gua sha. I even looked at diagrams of different faces and different points on the face that it's recommended to use with your gua sha tool. But thank you everybody so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know down in the comments and subscribe if you want more. But yes, thank you so much.